Hello, welcome to my channel sidra.createss. Today we are going to paint one of my old painting into bigger size first. We are going to use yellow color and now we are going to paint green on the bottom for grass. We are going to use a little darker shade to create the side we are going to use. Dull white color background is almost ready to create a pretty grass shade. We are going to add yellow and small amount of green. Tell me in the comment section from which country are you watching my video. Now we are going to use black color for tree. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comment section. I will reply to every comment, create a few more trees. Now you slide brown color mixed with water for the background tree. Create many trees. Don't be shy. Be the amount of trees. Now use yellow color for tree leaves. Now use orange color and add red color. Also keep tapping until it looked like this lighter green shed on the side. This is where I pretend I know what I'm doing. Just blend and pray. Final reveal. And there you have it, Mother Nature interpreted by someone with too many paintbrushes and not enough chill. Now we are going to create fences for fans. We are going to use white color. Before you start creating fancy, remember to let the colors dry so that your painting won't become a mess. This detail was brought to you by caffeine and mild anxiety. Create smooth lines and then add light gray shade to create depth. If you like my art, please like, and if you love please subscribe and comment. Also, until then, we are going to remove tape so we can see the final look of our beautiful landscape painting. Tell me in the comment which one do you like. I guess which one is created with postal color and which one is created with acrylic. Bye. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.